Hello friends! European Football Championship is coming to its end, with just 4 best teams left to fight for the trophy. It's a good thing that market news never end, so let's see what is new in power semiconductors industry. Infineon Technologies introduced the new 650-watt TRENCHSTOP 5 WR6 family in a discrete housing. The family comes in a TO2473 HCC package and offers a broad portfolio up to 70 amps. The devices can easily be used for replacing previous technologies like Infineon's TRENCHSTOP 5 WR5 and high-speed 3H3 as well as competitor technologies. The family is optimized for power factor correction for residential and commercial air conditioning systems as well as welding applications. As a key component of new energy vehicles, IGBT is regarded as a core technology picked due to its difficult technology and a large investment. Now, after BYD, another Chinese company is going to mass-produce this product. Shanghai Huahong Grace Semiconductor Manufacturing Corp., a foundry, and Starpower, a leader in China's IGBT industry, held the Huahong Automotive IGBT and 12-inch IGBT mass production ceremony and signed a strategic cooperation agreement. The two sides will work together to build high-power automotive-grade IGBT chips, which have now passed product validation by car companies and are entering the market for automotive applications such as power units, according to the company. Huahong has successfully established its IGBT wafer production process on a 12-inch production line, and its products have passed customer certification, making it the first pure-play foundry in the world to mass-produce advanced trench-gate electric field cutoff IGBTs on both 8-inch and 12-inch production lines, the company said. The company said its 12-inch IGBT output has exceeded 10,000 wafers. Last year, Starpower produced automotive-grade IGBTs modules for more than 200,000 new energy vehicles. Newport Wafer Fab, the United Kingdom's largest chip producer, is said to be acquired by Chinese-owned semiconductor company Nexperia for around $87 million. Nexperia, a Dutch firm that is 100% owned by China's Wintec Technology, told CNBC on Friday that the deal talks are ongoing. Located in Newport, South Wales, privately held, Newport Wafer Fab's chip plant dates back to 1982 and it is one of just a handful of semiconductor fabrications in the United Kingdom. Hitachi ABB Power Grids, that includes ABB Semiconductors business, announced that it will be evolving to become Hitachi Energy from October 2021. The decision to change name has board and shareholder consent and coincides with business' first-year anniversary since it started operations on July 1, 2020. Hitachi has an 80.1% stake in the joint venture and ABB holds the balance. Headquartered in Zurich, Switzerland, the global technology and market leader brings a rich heritage of pioneering breakthroughs which have helped to increase access to safe, secure and reliable electricity for more than 1 century. These range from pioneering innovations such as long-distance commercial HVDC technology that enables countries to efficiently transmit large amounts of power within minimum losses over thousands of kilometers while reducing carbon footprint, to providing microgrids and energy storage solutions that, combined with state-of-the-art intelligent control systems, ensure reliable distributed power availability. The business has played a leading role enabling a stronger, smarter and greener global energy system. ON Semiconductor has been declared the winner of the 2021 World Finance Sustainability Awards program in the category of the Most Sustainable Company in the Semiconductor Industry 2021. This is the second consecutive year that ON Semiconductor has won this award. World Finance is a print and online magazine providing comprehensive coverage and analysis of the financial industry, international business and the global economy. Held in Shenzhen for the first time on the fair's 20th anniversary, PCM Asia Conference 2021 promises to once again provide a platform for industry professionals in power electronics, intelligent motion, renewable energy and energy management from around the world to connect and share ideas. Experts within these sectors have contributed 52 conference papers on a wide range of topics within the industry. Key topics covered in this year's conference will include high-power devices, high-power density converters, power modules, DC-DC and AC-DC, silicon carbide and gallium nitride devices, advanced power devices, power grid, automotive power electronics, power devices and reliability, power converters and motion control. For the first time, PCIM Europe conference sessions will be presented at PCIM Asia Conference in Shenzhen, allowing attendees to acquire industry knowledge exclusively from Europe. The conference will also feature 2 presentation sessions in Chinese. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for staying with me. As usual, see you next week. Meanwhile, go to Market and Psycho website for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.